आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So the problem is that the class 6 student of a senior secondary school Krishnagar has been allotted a rectangular plot of a land and grassy activity. So splitting of Gulmohar are planted on the boundary of the distance of 1 meter from each. There is a triangular grassy lawn in a plot as shown in the figure. Students are allowed to seed the flowering plant remaining area of the plot. So the question is, what are the coordinate of D? We have to calculate the coordinate of D. Okay, so let's start the solution. So here is the D. So this is the D. Okay, so this is the 11. So that is the 10. So here is the 11. Here is the 12. Here is the 13. Here is the 14 and here is the 15 and last one is the 16. Okay, so this is the D and that is the origin, that's 0, 0. Okay, this is the origin. So clearly the point is that the point D is the coordinate of x is 16 and the coordinate of y is 0. Okay, because it is on the x-axis, this is the x-axis and that is the y-axis and that is the origin. So that point is 0, 0. So clearly D coordinate is 16, 0. So this is the required answer of this question. Okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।